Hi guys, we're back with part 2 of Lightning McQueen vs. Storm. We're gonna add a few more people. Now let's go to the car area. Okay, we got more cars, but let's see who we got right now. We have the power pistol. We have Cabanica. We have. Do you guys think I should put a boat in it? We have Dandelion. So that's 3. And as y'all know, Storm. This is my favorite. Lightning McQueen, the old time favorite of all. Still got a line. Okay, I think that's all the people. I mean, all the cards. Nope, no, it is not. I found more. Hold up, guys. 24 hours. Comment down below what do you think it's called. 24 hours. Scoocher. Bam. I think that's all. Nope. More is coming.
Okay, in my bank account. What I say?
Gemori. Comment down below if you know that word. Gem. I don't know it, but here it is. Okay, all the cars. Let's get to this.
In my bank account. In my
Okay,
bank
guys. We got lined up.
Stop.
Lined up.
In my bank account. In my bank account.
Lined up.
Peppa, you get in the wall.
He's lined up.
You get in your wall. Ow. In my bank account.
Storm's lined up.
Peppa, stop doing that. In my bank.
This is my brother playing with Peppa
Jesus,
Pig.
Leslie. In my bank account. In my bank account.
That's for making our rocket. Are you ready?
In my bank account. In my bank account.
I need
In
more.
my bank account.
You sit.
Peppa, turn that music off. No. Who
You sit.
Oh, no.
Get
Who
sit.
you calling no, Peppa?
Go.
I'm not sure I understand.
Do you know the whale house theory?
It seems that
Theory.
Storm
you
won.
take a video for
Lightning
me?
lost. 1-1. Part 3. Last part. Storm vs. Lightning. Look. He came in 3rd. So Storm vs. Lightning versus 24 hours. These cars are fast. Look who came in last. You thought he was going to win? You're wrong. Gabanique lost. He lost. So, see you in part 3.
Because
So you in part
Peppa
3.
Pig